Hello guys, welcome to CS Tech Solution. Today's is learning AWS DevOps. Chapter 3 is continuous integration and as a continuous deployment as a CI and the CD. And third topics is GitLab's CI and CD's pipeline. And 3.3.1 is basic GitLab's CI and the CD's pipeline. This is the good as a basic the GitLab's CI and the CD's pipelines is here. So what each the parts means in a simple terms, and the files names as a dot GitLab's des as a ci.yml, and inside as to show as the file is a stage colon inside as a hyphen build and hyphen the test and the hyphen is a deployment, and as a build colon inside as a stage colons as a build, and as a script colons and hyphen the echo and the double quotes inside the message as a building the application in the double quotes over, and hyphen the mvn clean and the package. First as a maven package as to clean, and after as a artifact colons inside as a path colons and a hyphen the target slash star dot jar, and test colons inside the stage colon as a test, and the script colons inside the hyphen echo and the double quotes inside the message as running the test, and double quotes over and the hyphen mvn is test, and last as a deploy colons inside as a stage colons as a deploy, and the script colons inside hyphen the echo inside the message in the double quotes as a deploying the application, and hyphen the scp target slash star dot jar file, and user server, and colons and slash deploy slash the path, and only colons inside as a hyphen the main. Let's explain the all the example. First as a dot gitlabs des the ci.yml files, and this the file must as normally be as a place in root directories of your as a gitlabs repositories, and it tells gitlabs inside what a stage to run, what a job to execute, which a command to run, which the file to save, and then a deployment should as happen. And second is a stage colons inside the hyphen build hyphen test and the hyphen deploy, and the pipelines is run in as this the order: first as build, after the test, and last as the deploy, and later the stage is start after as a previous stage is succeed. First stage as a build the job as a build colons inside the stage colons as build, and script colons inside hyphen the echo double quotes inside the building application message, and as first has to clean the maven package, so hyphen the mvn and clean the package, and artifact colons and the path colons inside the hyphen target slash the star dot jar file, and mvn is clean the package as build the javas and the maven's application, and the generated .jar files inside the target slash, and is saved as artifact, and so the later the job can use it. After the build stage as a test job, and the test colons inside the stage colons as a test, and the script colons inside as a hyphen echo and the double quotes inside as running the test message, and hyphen the mvn is test, and this is the execute the project as automated as test, and if the test is fail, the pipeline is normally as stop, and as deploy the stage is want as run, and the last stage is deploy the job as a deploy colons inside the stage colons as deploy, and script colons inside the hyphen echo inside the message in the double quotes as a deploying the application, and hyphen the scp and the target slash the star dot java, and user servers colons and slash the deploy slash path and only colons inside root files names as as a hyphen the main, and this the copies in generated jars dot deployment servers using the scp, and only colons inside hyphen the main is means as a deployment the job as run only is the main branch. And 6 is a runners. GitLab's runners is machines that as actually execute the commands such as mvn clean the package, mvn test, and scp target slash the star.java. And the runners can be as GitLab so is hosted and the shared, and your own self is hosted the machine. And seventh is a artifact. Artifact are as a files producers by as a job, and that is a GitLab's preserve. And for the example, as a artifact colons inside the path colons and hyphen the target slash the star dot java, and the java's the jar is generated during build can then be the downloaded or as a press to a later jobs. And the complete flow as a developer is push the code, and in after as a GitLab's is pipelines, and as a build and the mvn clean the package, and after the jars artifact is to check, and after as a test and the mvn test command is to use, and the deploy to use as the scp, and last as to deploy the server. And the important your the example is suitable for the learnings the basic, and but for a real project you should also as a configure the mavens and the jdks environment for the GitLab's runners, and as a use the secure ci and the cds variables or as a ssh keys is rather than the putting the servers and the credentials directly in .gitlabs des the ci.yml file. Thank you guys to watch the videos. Please subscribe the channel, on the notification and bell icon.